you and your husband used to go to the Melave Malkas, the Modzitzer Rebbe. I wondered what that was like.
We weren't anybody then. That was before we made the record. We used to go to the Melave Malka, and we knew a number of the people who lived in the neighborhood. And it was a small shtibel. I doubt that there were 100 people there, but the place was jammed. It was so small. And they weren't so particular about women. We did have a separate room, but it wasn't, upstairs or around the corner or something. It was right behind the men's section. And you could mingle pretty freely in between. After all, it wasn't a religious service, Melave Malka. So we got to know everybody, and that helped a great deal in setting that first record up. As I say, they never knew who we were. We weren't anyone then until after we made the record.